Stand straight with both feet together. Hold your hips with your hand. Bend backwards without bending knees. Sit with left heel under right thigh and right leg is crossed over left thigh. Hold your right toe with left hand. Turn your head back to right side. Lie down on the belly on ground. Keep your hands near the shoulders. Keep your legs together. Straighten up your arms slowly and raise the chest up and turn your head backwards. This position or pose is also known as snake pose or cobra pose. Lie down on your back, bring your knees up and heel close to buttock. Place your palm close to your shoulder pointing towards your body. Press your palm firmly against floor and lift your head, stomach and buttock. Raise your hip so that your spine is arched in semicircular shape. This asana is also known as wheel pose. Sit down on the ground with legs stretched forward. Fold the left leg at knee and sit on left leg. Fold the right leg and keep the right thigh on the left thigh with the help of your hands. Fold your left arm and place it behind your back. Fold your right arm and bring it behind shoulder. Clasp your hands together. Sit down in Padmasana pose. Lie down in spine position and make an arc behind. Hold your toes with your hands. Stand straight. Bend the trunk forward from your hip until the fingers of your palm touch the floor. Try to touch the knees with forehead. Knee should not bend in this position. Sit in Padmasana pose. Stretch your arms sideways over your head. Your palms should touch each other without bending your elbows. This asana is also known as lotus pose. Sit on ground with legs forward. Hold the toe of your feet with finger of your hands. Try to touch the knees with your forehead. Knees should not bend in this position. Lie down on your back, arm besides your body and legs together. Bend your knees and bring it towards your chest till your thighs touches the stomach. Clasp your hands around your legs to hug your knees. Touch the knees with your forehead or chin. This asana can be done with both knees together also. Lie down on your stomach and place both hands under thigh. Rest your chin on ground. Now lift up both legs without bending knees. Lie down in spine position and legs should be straight. Keep the arms away from the body. Close your eyes and keep all the limbs loose. Down with legs straight in front. Bend the right leg and place foot under the left thigh. Bend the left leg and keep the foot under the right thigh. Place the hands on the knees. Head, neck and the back should be straight. Stand straight in attention position. Lift your arm upwards and stretch it. Raise your heel and come on your toes. Pull your body upwards. Stand with your legs apart. Extend your arm sideways up to shoulder level. Bend the trunk sideways on right side. Raise left arm upwards and hold your toe with your right hand. Turn your head and look. Stand straight with your arms at your side. Gently raise your arms upwards until your arms are straight. Kneel down on the ground with your knees, ankles, and toes touching the ground. Your toes should be stretched backwards, upper body straight and palm on knees. Sit down with legs stretched forward. Fold your right legs and keep its heels touched to left leg knee. Place your right hand behind your back and left arm over the right knee. Push your right knee as far as possible and twist your trunk to right side.